Alright guys, here it is. Wow, they threw that, they detailed this thing. First things first, let's take a look. Wow, this looks nice. They detailed it, they polished it. The spoiler is on right there. It looks slick. The tires are all, wow. Open these new tires. I'm speechless. I'm very happy. It looks like it's completely brand new car. How slick is this? Whoa, it's slick. Saved me so much time. Oh, definitely. Oh, definitely. Everything here is all... Oh, engine's still hot. Oh, they detailed the engine bay too. Wow. They detailed the engine bay, all that. They cleaned it. That's dope. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. It's like getting a brand new car. Only thing is the tire is all messed up. Well, that's not from me. I am happy. Alright, let me go in and talk to the guys, and then I'm about to bring this home. Everything about this car, even like, I've never seen it so clean, even when I picked it up. Granted, I didn't really wash it. It was kind of neglected for the past few months. But introducing the brand new to me, again, R32. Alrighty, let me bring this down. Guys, you have to check this out. Now, once I get back, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the center caps.摸到啊，好滑啦。
所以咧，佢呢個 detail 咧係咁樣做嘅。你睇嘅 engine， 你睇到 engine 啦。
Yeah， 睇到 engine 添。
你嘅 detail 係咁樣做㗎。
Yeah。
所以咧，人哋你如果我有機會即歌俾你睇，你仲乾淨啲添。我已經噴晒嗰啲成個噴晒嗰啲undercoat 啦喺個。
Alright guys, so we are good. We are good to go. The thing about this is they detailed it, but it's all very greasy. Very I like the matte feel of it. I'd rather have that, but overall, wow, they did everything. It's a nice detail overall. It's nice and smooth. They took everything out though. It's all good. Right? First coat start. Let's see. Okay. Oh, smooth. Smooth on my... Wow, this is good. Wow, everything is so clean and nice. The tires drive good. 89,699 miles on the odometer. Oh, I forgot to even put on my... Wow, this is nice. I'll recline it back a little bit. Yeah, the thing is, it's kind of greasy though. It's kind of greasy. It's that type of detail. But ooh. I like it. It's so nice. I feel like this car is in much better shape than when I picked it up, and is in much better shape than when I detailed it. So I'm so excited that it's right now 12 o'clock and I need some lunch. I need some lunch. Like all the mirrors, all that stuff is so clean. All right, guys, so we're back home and just taking a look at it. This is nice. I've never seen this car so shiny ever since I've owned it. And again, you know, granted, I did neglect the car for the whole almost a year since I've had it. You know, I got the car in May of 2024. So yes, I don't know why I'm looking at my face right now. Here it is. Here is the car, 2008 R32 United Grade Metallic, all compounded, polished, paint matched and everything like that. The paint overall and the body, yes, that's, you know, that's the same. But having a look at the side skirts and not having to see rust, the rust over here was okay. I didn't see anything, but once he popped it out, then he let me know that the same issue on the driver's side is the same happening on the passenger side. So that's what added to the cost of everything. But ooh, it is cold. But here it is. Let's take a look at the final result. And it looks like it never happened, right? And they paint matched everything, and just looking at how shiny it is, I've never seen a car so shiny. It feels like getting a new car again, like a new to me car back to me, and again it's new to me again. So overall, the windshield was replaced at 77,000, I believe. So everything is all good, everything's all clean. Windows here, moonroof. Here is the decklit spoiler that started off everything. So I went ahead and I got this kind of like I think it was on sale for like 20 bucks on AliExpress. I picked it up. It was like unpainted, unprimered, and it was time to get the Sienna inspected. So after that, I dropped this off to get paint matched. Gave him a can of spray paint, and he did this. But I think they should have done like a clear coat on it, right? Because it does look kind of like, it doesn't really match in terms of that. But this was before everything was done. So I should have told him just to take it off again and kind of paint match it. But, oh well. Anyway, so here's how it looks from afar. Right? Oh, it is windy. And overall it looks nice, right? It's kind of like discreet. It's discreet. Not too obnoxious. And overall, these guys, they took it to a third-party detailer, and it looks great. They try to go ahead and polish off the center stack exhaust. The body shop actually does installation. So right here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but the ECS rear sway bar is on. And all this happened within the week, right? And then we have the new Bridgestone tires that I decided to try versus the Continental DWSs or the Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. One thing I'm not really happy about now that everything's all clean is the curb rashing from the Ammonites. But I mean, again, can't really blame them. This is a 2008 model. This is the stock wheels that came from 2008 or 2007. It's gone through the first owner, second owner, and now me. But this is also the first time I'm running these. The previous owner ran these from Chicago as a winter set. He had the Pretorias, in which I ended up selling. It was brand new, almost brand new, pretty much mint. I found a buyer, he bought it, and the overall cost was lowered because I sold the wheels, but now it's offset because I ended up spending additional money fixing up the rust issue. So the hood, I've never seen it so polished, and definitely I think it was worth the money in terms of having it detailed, because I definitely don't have time for that. And yeah, I'll give you guys a look. Let's see at the interior. Interior is cool too. A little bit more, how do I say it? Shiny and greasy than I would like, but overall it's very clean. Now I've done some vacuuming prior when I immediately got the car and brought it back, but now after a few months or so, almost a year, it was dirty. So here it is. They did the carpets, they did the shampooing, they did the whole, I'm not sure if this is Armor All, but it's very greasy. But ooh, let me close it. I don't want any additional dust to get in, but nice. It was nice. It's really nice. But the one thing that I don't know if I should bring it up, you know, because it's the shop owner, he brought it to his peoples. But I'm pretty sure the detailer, they yanked this out too quick, and then the tab right here, the nub snapped. As you can see from here, it's a little bit different, like right there, you know. So now this thing is kind of like flailing every time. So I need to find a replacement for this. I hope it's not too much. I think the Mark 6 should be able to, if I find something from the Mark 6, it should go ahead and replace this. I like the older models because they have a netting under it. The Mark 7s, and I think the Mark 8s and all that stuff, and continuing, they actually don't have this netting. Everything was as I left it, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and just maybe do some more, ceramic coating or some spray on it. Not ceramic coating, just a synthetic ceramic spray. It's gonna go ahead and leave extra beading effect, I hope, unless at least they did something to it, but I think they just waxed it. But on that note, I hope this is entertaining. I mean, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think right now of the car. It's highly unexpected for me to spend so much, especially budget-wise, our financial situation in terms of job security. But that's a whole nother story. But it was all fast-paced. Like, it's kind of like me, like just feeling like everything has to be done quickly. I don't want my car to be rusting, and I'm like, hey, just do whatever you got to do. And in the end, I end up just getting new wheels, tires. I mean, end up getting a new rear sway bar, all that stuff, and it drives great. Kind of like the Mark 6 days, but with an automatic. But more content soon, I hope. It's been really busy with life, and I don't know, I kind of blanked out recently with all these ideas, a lot on my mind. So I haven't really taken advantage of stuff, and I haven't been jotting down my notebook. But again, I'm digressing. I like to mumble jumble when I don't know what to say. But again, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon with some more R32 content. I'm just overall very content right now. It's a humble daily driver that I hope to keep for the years to come. My dream car since college. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Take care.